how the food and utensil become non-kosher. Okay, so we said what is hot utensil, cold utensil. That's our topic. How the foods and utensils become non-kosher. So we're going to learn in this chapter hot foods that touch one another. Okay, hot liquids pour over the foods. Foods and utensil placed into hot liquids. Cold meat and dairy that touch each other. Foods soaked in or salted together. Steam and aroma of foods. Non-kosher aroma. Foods cooked or baked simultaneously in the oven. So all of these scenarios, as you see, very, very practical. All of them we're going to discuss in this chapter. So very interesting. What information must one present to a Rav when asking a shayla? So many people cannot ask a question, right? So in order to ask the question, you have to possess a lot of knowledge, right? So you have to, like as we saw in the introduction to this book, the author say maybe this book you should not chas v'shalom substitute a rabbi, but at least you'd be aware of many situations where it's questionable, when you have to ask a rabbi. Many people do not know when to ask, what to ask, or who to ask. Okay, so it says, my son ate meat and then touched a bagel. May I eat bagel with the cream cheese? That's a good question. When one passed a non-kosher restaurant, it is permitted to stop and enjoy aroma. That's a good question, right? May one hand ladles and spatulas over a stove. May one hang ladles or spatulas over the stove. So what is the problem? That the aroma from your food, like on top of the stove, you would use you would cook dairy foods and meat foods, right? And meat dishes. So this aroma, of course, it evaporates, and it's going to affect these things that hang over the stove. Very interesting. Ladles. Okay. How should one add salt and pepper to the boiling pot? So what is the problem? Again, the problem is that this evaporation. So now, okay, you just want to put a salt. There is no problem in your mind, but these vapors are going to rest on a salt, right? And then when the next time, so they're going to dry. Next time you want to salt, let's say from meat, there were vapors from meat. Now you want to salt your dairy food, and now from these vapors, get what? They're going to guess what? They're going to get mixed with vapors on a salt from meat. So meat and milk, of course, it's not noticeable amount, but theoretically, right? It's going to be mixed. Continue. May one use the hot water from a hot water dispenser in an office that is shared with non-absorbent co-workers? So you say, what is the problem, right? They use it only for coffee. It's not true. It's very, very not true, and I'm going to explain why. Some of them would make this instant soups, right? And some of them have pigs, this instant soup. So they would put under dispenser and get the hot water this way. That's also a problem, right? Not everybody making coffee, only coffee there, and tea.